How many turtle?
4. 40. That's not how we do it.
No, it's too long. Count. How many turtle?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ulo niya yan eh. That's a head. You have a head, right? Oh,
Yeah.
where's your head? Where's your head? Oh, that's your head.
And we have.
Turtle has a head too.
You have a head too.
Yeah, I have.
That's all. Okay. Now, see.
That's a head.
There's 2 foots.
How many turtle?
4. 40. That's not how we do it.
Two lang yan.
No. Look, see? Gumbos have a shield. See? You're not supposed to be the do that. You need to go.
Two lang yan. Two lang yan.
No.
O, tingnan mo. Manood ka sa YouTube yung ano ng turtle.